NCD. Dear investors and viewers, this is our first NCD GRO Capital. Fridivej Finance presenting GRO Capital, that is debit issue. Yes, we can say this much as of now because this is company already existing into the market and we are not going to strategize it. We are just going to brief it about the company. That's it. GRO Capital Company detail Chokhani Securities Private Limited. They have registered in the year of 1993 on the 10th February. They are based in Mumbai, Maharashtra state. And yes, in that case, Chokhani Security Limited, they have turned as a security limited in the year of 2018 on 26th September. And yes, we can say GRO Capital is exclusive MSME and cater to all borrowing needs, diverse range product offering like term loan, secure and unsecured supply chain finance, machineries loan, short-term finance through the multiple fintech and NBFC partners. It leads to the customer right from the prime segment less than 10% rate of interest, micro enterprises 20 to 25% interest rate. In additional, it does co-lending with the fintech and smaller NBFC partner, expand reach and lead the micro enterprise through the length and breadth of India. While it has maintained keen focus on initial prime and near prime target segment, it has also worked towards addressing broader demographic as per our effort and solve MSME credit gaps. Additional lending experience in carve out micro enterprise as a sector itself. Micro enterprise behave as a homogeneous group of the size rather than by the sector, making it ideal underwritten them. We believe that knowledge, research and technology innovation have been key drivers of our growth. We constantly pursue fintech innovation and invent in a new business channels. The core thinking is that underline our business decision to provide long-term value creation by building sustainable loan profitable while focusing on the risk. Their office is based on a fourth floor tower 3 Equinox Business Park of BKC and LBS Road, Kurla West, Mumbai number 400070. Their website name is ugrocapitals.com. So dear investors, we are going to just talk about the company. We are not focusing because they are already in they are not IPO. Our company has taken several measures to increase its disbursement and loan portfolio. However, all the business is confined our predefined strategy in building 4-channel branch-led network of 34 branches comprise 9 prime and 25 micro branches. These branches GRO cater to the entire spectrum of MSME borrowers. Ecosystem channel. This further subdivided into supply chain finance and machineries finance, supply chain franchises, working capital finance for anchor and its ecosystem and non-anchors through the sales and purchase invoice discounting and machinery finance where we offer secured loan to machine buyers with the charge on machine. Partnership and alliances channels. Partners with fintech and small NBFC under co-lending model wherein a loan and originated by partner fintech and NBFC and we take a part of the loan exposure in our books. Direct digital channel. Our proprietary digital lending platform which got beta test in Q3 financial year 20 will allow direct credit application, increasing borrowing ease and further reducing turnaround time. With a short period of time, 3 year, GRO is been able not to reach MSME across the country and underserve the micro enterprise. GRO Capital expand its branch network from 9 to 34, opening 25 new micro branches. The micro branches currently spread across 5 states. The branch shall able to GRO to provide credit to small business in tier 3 and tier 6 town who not access formal credit in the past and do not proper documentation to otherwise available loan from large banks. GRO Capital is integrated business intelligence with the technology to create granular and insightful loan products for each subsector. Statistically predictive modeling is used prognostic to customer credit behavior derived each subsectors from various financial and non-financial sources for fully quantify the parameters of the ecosystem the customer operates in. Technology underpins every aspect of GRO lending process from API integration, sectorial statistic, scorecards, subsectors expert scorecards, state-of-art bank bureaus and GST statement analyzer, automated policy approval and machine learning OCR technology. Our company also unveiled its a GRO Score 2.0 analytics engine triangulate data from GST, banking and bureaus to come up with the superior underwriting results. All the culminates in delivery of 60 minutes in principal decision process to customer based on complex cash flow modeling. However, the technology's back lending process does not discredit traditional method and have been historically successful in the space. GRO Capital ensured that all traditional checks and balances are adhered to ensure a high quality books for prosperity. Technology defocus on technology. At GRO, technology underpin all the facets of customer journey, including distribution, credit analytics, operation and collections. We have philosophy to automate anything and everything that is procedural. This will be reap rewards in the long term. In fact, each of GRO distribution channel is powered by Prosperity Technology Module. GRO Plus is designed for a branch-led disbursement which has fully integrated every elements of underwriting digital using all conventional parameters. The platform allows for GRO partner DSA network to obtain in a principal approval within 60 minutes. GRO Chain is an end-to-end platform for supply chain financing that will cater to ecosystem anchor vendor, borrower and dealer distributor borrower. The system was fully operationalized in financial year 2020 to 2021. GRO Extreme. GRO has developed a continuously innovation of fintech platform GRO Extreme, which is our industry's first marketplace for BFSI partners. This allows us to achieve seamless API integration with the systems of each partner and hence allow us to achieve record stats. It is designed to facilitate a wide range of transaction type between onboard BFSI, including co-lending, onward lending, direct assignment, portfolio buyout, and securitization. GRO Direct. GRO direct digital channel, a platform built to allow non-integrated loan application from eligible SME, launched in December 2019, crossed two subsectors, and the reach of GRO Direct will be greatly expanded across our focus sectors in coming years. Their corporate social responsibility, that is CSR. Our CSR theme is a SITE. SITE stand for School Education, Industry Ready Education Program, Gender Equality and Women Empowerment, Healthcare Team and SOS. To execute CSR activities, we collaborate with the Smile Foundation. Smile Foundation is an Indian development organization directly benefit over 4 lakh children and families through than 1200 welfare projects in education, health, livelihood and women empowerment spread across remote village and slum in 25 states in India during the year of ended 31st March 2021. Company has spent rupees 19.5 lakh, whereas required sum to be spent was 18.57 lakhs. The amount spent towards skill training in the healthcare for underprivileged youth through NGO employees. We have emphasis and focus on recruitment retention of our employees as personal in the most valuable assets of serving industries such as on 30 June 2021 we have 392 employees and we implemented employee stock options plans in addition of normal rewards and recognition programs and the learning and development program for our employees. So GRO's main objective of our company is basically to invest capital and other money in the company in purchase and upon securities to share stock, debenture stock, bonds, mortgage, obligation and security, any kind of carrying the business in share stock, debentures and stock bonds, debenture stocks, bonds, mortgage, obligation and other securities, commissioners, trust, multiple municipal or local authority, and to carry the business underwrite, film financing, hire purchasing finance and carry the business finance, industrial enterprise, trade and business finance. To carry the business, provide fund and non-fund based on activities, venture capital, stockbroking, factoring, arbitrage, badla finance, portfolio management services, mutual fund, debit market operations, forex management services, merchant banking activities, insurance, reassurance, future and options, derivative, depository, participant, etc. To manufacture, assemble, purchase, sell, export, import, alter, repair, transfer, lease, hire, license, use, dispose of, operate, fabricate, construct, distribute, design, charter, acquire, market, condition, work upon or advise, otherwise deal in, whether as manufacturer, dealer, developer, distributor, agent or other. Manufacture and otherwise all the kinds of products, services pertaining to computer, software, hardware industry, software, system development, application software and microprocess based on information system, web portal, web enable, web supermarket, kiosk or e-commerce, web migration, web-based training, education, learning system, knowledge management, retail broking, e-tail broking, internet broking, net dynamics, client server development, platform development, information technologies, software development, e-commerce, conversion of data, internet website, e-commerce, e-business, e-tailing, e-trade, advertisement, sponsorship, game site, Gemini is not. Application system, computer peripheral and accessory, information technology, mapping, education, publication, computer aided design, computer aided manufacturing, workstation, scanner plotter, server digitizer, software procedure, and undertake turnkey projects for developing computer software or a hardware system, telephony migration, and engineering, data warehousing, enterprise resource planning, product development management, and to provide all allied services in India and abroad. So to lend the advance money and assets of all kinds of or give credit to terms or mode without securities and individual, firm, body, in corporate or any other entities, including without prejudice, to generate the foregoing any holding of company subsidiaries or fellow subsidiaries or any other company, whether or not associated any with the company, to enter into the guarantees, contract and indemnity and suretyship, all kinds of receive money on deposit or loan upon any terms, to secure guarantee in any manner upon the terms, payment and the sum of money, performance of obligations by any person, firms or company, including without prejudice to generality of foregoing any holding company subsidiaries or fellow subsidiary of or any other company associated into any with of the company. Dear investors, basically this is the capital company. So that's the reason. And yes, Chokhani is a security private limited initial. So securities do the business in different verticals. That's the reason they are having this kind of motivation and they are interact with so many companies. GRO Capital has cope up with aftermath pandemic, restructuring during pandemic COVID 2019. We can say branch lead channels, auto component, chemical, education, electrical equipment, food processing, healthcare, hospitality, light and engineering, MSME, ecosystems, channels, supply chain, finance and auto components, where partners and alliances, onward lending, direct assignment and portfolio acquisition. We are not going to read about the numbers of percentage in restructuring and portfolio, etc. You can have a look around here. On aggregate basis, we restructure 166 account during the year and 86.1% current account. Large part of the restructuring from the hospitality sectors, which got impacted the most. Yes, dear investors, you need a restructuring when there is a pandemic. Means after pandemic, absolutely all companies need a restructuring. GRO Capitals, basically this is their debit. You can apply to the NCD. Their symbol is GRO D1 or it is I. Issue will start on 8 November and it will be closed on 22nd November 2021. So you can do from 10 a.m. to 1 p.m. Post modification we can happen on 23rd November, that is 10 a.m. to 1 p.m. So in that case, the issue size face value is 1,000 rupees, an amount up to 5 lakhs. Okay. This is the face value 1,000. Market lot will be 1,000. Maximum minimum application value will be 10 NCD, that is 10,000. Multiple of 1 to 1,000, that is the 10,000. So here we are not going to talk anything. Anyways, thank you by Vridivej Finance, and once again happy Diwali.